authorization part of our introduction to web development course. Today we will continue doing our authorization function, and in order to do it we need to head to views.py, which is here, and start writing a login function. So write def login to account request if request method is equal to post form authentication form request data equals request dot post. Right. But here in the login function we're using authentication form, and in order to do it we need to import it in our views.py. So here we go, it is here. And I think that we should also import authenticate and logout functions. It will be actually useful for us in next videos and maybe in this one. So this function checks if the request method is post. So if the client wants to send a message or information to the server, and if it is, we check if the form is valid using this function. If form is valid, username equals form created data dot get username, and then password will be equal to form dot cleaned data dot get password. Now user equals authenticate username equals to username, password equals to password. So basically this function actually checks if there is a user that is trying to log into our to his account. So if user is not none, login by request user, messages info request you are new login to account. Right, so we need to import our login function too, to actually log in our users. So we do it using this from Django contrib auth import login. Yeah, and now the thing we're gonna do is to return redirect, then the page that we're gonna redirect the users to. Let's use profile page, for instance. We'll write the urls.py for it later, but I think it should be like that for for a while. So we need to add redirect here in order to actually be able to use this function. And that's not it, because we didn't write if the user is not actually a user. So like if there's no registered user that tries to access it, we write else messages dot error request invalid username, user, or password. So if the user is done, it returns the message invalid username or password, and it signals our user that it's actually like not working. Yeah. And if the form is invalid, we also return messages dot error request invalid username or password. And now we return render request equals request template name will be main login HTML login HTML that we will create right now, login.html, and the context will be login form. That's basically it, but there's a typo. Yeah, for this, so in this lesson we implemented a login function, and in the next lessons we'll write the URLs for a direct function, also add some pages, add some HTML, and be able to actually use our authentication function. Thank you.